Now let's try and understand the causes responsible for the rise of poverty. Poverty, as I said, is a big evil and we need to eradicate it. But what are the causes which are helping poverty? Now, the first cause is low level of national product. When the country has a low level of national product and is not able to rise its national product in terms of the world growth and the growth of the country, that is the time that poverty creeps in. The second factor is low rate of growth. Growth, that is in terms of GDP. Even if there is an increase, substantial increase, but it does not increase at the pace of the rise of population, it definitely will not give good results. For example, in India, when the GDP rose by 4%, it still was in real terms only 2% because of the rise in population that had come. So, the growth in GDP in relative terms of the population has to be made in order to eradicate, remove poverty. The third and the biggest factor is the population of the country. When the population rises and is not able to sustain to the things which are available, it definitely is leading to poverty. Therefore, population check, population control is very important for eradicating poverty in the country. And in a country like India, it definitely is a big danger. The next cause responsible is unemployment and underemployment. You see, in the urban areas, we see a lot of educated youth who are unemployed. But the more dangerous situation is that of underemployed or the disguised unemployment in the rural areas. Because here at least we can count, we can calculate the number of people who are unemployed. But here the figure is hidden because we do not know exactly how many people are unemployed. Therefore, we have to increase employment. The next factor responsible for poverty is outdated social institutions. In a country like India, there are joint family system, caste system, laws of succession, inheritance, which have given rise to poverty. We have to fight it out to these outdated social institutions in order to eradicate poverty. The next factor is lack of infrastructure. When the people do not have the required kind of infrastructure, especially the three components, that is energy, transport and communication, we cannot boast of eradicating poverty, because once we have the proper infrastructure, only then the development will take place. Once you can have good energy to produce more, when we can have effective transportation to move the goods that we have produced, when we can communicate effectively with each other quickly, that is the time that the development will come, and that is the time that we can eradicate poverty. So, unless we are not able to fight all these responsible causes, it is not easy to eradicate poverty.